Monitor. To watch and check something over a period of time. He monitors the system for any signs of malfunction. Nurses regularly monitor the patient's vital signs. We need to monitor the progress of the project. The teacher uses software to monitor students' online activities. They installed security cameras to monitor the building's entrances.